Hi everyone, my name is Mahmoud Sheikh and from past few videos I have been working on developing a Dance Academy website using PHP, MySQL, jQuery and Bootstrap framework. In my last video I completed the functionality of displaying register and login links on the navigation menu, and in this video I will discuss about displaying all the dance forms of any particular category. Whenever a user click on view dance forms link, then all the dance in that category will start displaying on another page with the name of the category and the details of various dance forms. Okay, so this is what we are discussing in this video. So before coming to the today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any queries, then let me know on the comment section. Okay, so now let us start our discussion. So let's first go to the editor. So here you can see I have already created a file with the name as view dance forms, and I have included header and footer files. Now I have created two divs. First div with a class of container to display an image at the top, and another div is to display the category name. Here now I have linked the image which I want to display at the top of the web page. So the name of that image is viewdance.jpg, and I have kept this file under image folder which is under assets. Now let me just show you that file. Okay, so this is my image viewdance, and now let's save it and let's refresh. So now let's just click on this link. Okay, now come back to our editor, and here I have linked the database configuration file, and here I'm trying to get the category ID. Okay, so here I want to tell you this one thing. Okay, so whenever a user click on any of these links like view dance forms links, there is an ID which is the category ID attached to each and every of these links. Okay, so now let's come to our index PHP file. So here you can see this is the view dance forms link, and here I'm calling to a view dance forms PHP file, and I have attached the category ID to this link. So whenever a user clicking on the view dance forms link, I will be making a call to view dance forms PHP file, and I'm sending the category ID as a get method request. Okay, so the category ID will be sent from this page to this view dance forms page, and here I need to collect this ID. Okay, so the ID of this category is 2. Similarly, if I click on this link, then another ID will get started displaying. That means the ID of this particular category is 4. Okay, so if I click on this, then 6 category ID. Okay, so this category ID I need to access in my view dance PHP file, and that's what I have done here. Okay, then once I get the ID, I have written an SQL query which will select the category name from the categories table based on the category ID. Okay, because I want to display the category name below that image. Okay, next I'm executing this SQL query, and then I'm checking if any record present in the table. Then I will iterate over that record, and I will get the category name details and display it. Okay, now let's refresh the page. Now when I click on this view link, now you can see Indian classical dance categories displaying, and now when I click on this link, novelty or fat dance title is displaying. Okay, so now below this category name I want to display various dance forms which comes under that particular category. Okay, now let's start doing this. Okay, so here once I complete the row for displaying the category name, then I have created another div with a class of row, and here as well I have received the ID of the category using the get method. Okay, now with the help of this ID only I need to get the various dance forms which belongs to that particular category. Okay, so once I get the ID, here also I have written an SQL query which will select the dance forms based on the category ID. Okay, next I'm executing this SQL query, and if I found any records present inside the table, then I will iterate over those records, and then I have created a div with a 4 column and another div with a class of category box, and here I have tried to fetch the image which admin had uploaded while creating the dance. Okay, so that image I'm trying to fetch and display on the web page. Okay, along with the image I will also display the dance name. Okay, and a link to allow the user or the student to enroll to that particular dance form. Okay, now let's save it and let's refresh. Okay, so here I can't see any dance form because in this category I have not added any dance form. Now let's click on the home page and click on any other category. So now when I click on view dance form, now you can see I have added 2 dance forms in this Indian classical dance. So I will go back, and now if I click on this view dance form link, then you can see 5 or 6 dance forms started displaying, and with each and every dance form the image of the dance and the name of that dance form and an enroll now link is there. Okay, so now if any student wants to join to this particular dance form, then the user will be clicking on the enroll now, then another form gets open where it will ask that student to enter their details, personal details, and then it will ask the student to select the instructor, and finally it will ask the student to make the payment for that course. Okay, so these are the things which we will be going to cover in our upcoming videos. Okay, so now in this video we have seen how to design a feature to display various dance forms whenever a student or a user click on the view dance form link. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys understood whatever concepts we discussed in this complete video. So if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any queries, then let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. And thanks for watching.